78 Volkswagen Brasilia LS. It was restored with Volkswagen parts, has a rebuilt 1600cc engine, manual transmission, mostly original interior, has the tail lights, turn signals, and headlights as 78 Volkswagen.
I have a bit of a time, a bit of a 2, get it on 30, get it on 30, get it on 30, get it on 30, get it on 20 here. Hey, get it on 20, get it on, get it on, get it on, get it on, get it on 20, get it on, get it on 15 here. $10,000 here. Hey, get it on 7, 8, 8,000. I get it on, get it 8, 9, get it on with a bit 9 here, get it on 9,000 out of here, get it on 8, 9. 9,000 out of here, get it on 10, get it on with a bit 10, get it on 9, get it on 10 here. I have it a bit 10,000 out of here, 9, get it on 10, with a bit 10 here. $10,000. 9's bid, asking 10. I have it a bit 10,000, I get it on 9, get it on with a bit 10 here. I have it a bit 10,000 out of here, get it on 9, get it on 10, with a bit 10 here. I have it a bit 10,000 out of here, 9's bid, get it on 10. I have it a bit 10,000 out of here, get it on 9, get it on with a bit 10 here. Only 10,000. I get it on 9, get it on 10, get it on with a bit 10 here. I have it a bit 10,000 out of here, 9 bid, 10,000 going once. I have it a bit 10,000 twice. Let's go on with a bit 10,000. Close it, the bid goes on.
Up next, at no reserve, lot 120.